Are you ready for a story? Once upon a time, there was a little bird. Little bird lived in a house with Daddy Bird. One day, little bird was sleeping. Oh, good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Good morning, little bird. It's a beautiful day. Goodbye, Daddy. Goodbye. Where are you going, little bird? Where are you going, little bird? I'm going to the mountains. I'm going to the mountains. Okay, little bird, okay, but if it rains, come back home. Yes, Daddy, yes. Goodbye. Tip, top, tip, top, tip, top, tip, top, tip, top. Wow. Top, 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 top. It's raining, Daddy said. If it rains, come back home. Look. Who cares? I'm dancing, I'm dancing, I'm dancing, 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 dancing and dancing, dancing and dancing. Ooh. Look at my jacket. It's wet. Look at my trousers. Ooh, they're wet. Look at my boots. Oh, they're wet. What will Daddy say? Who cares? La 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 la. Shh. La 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 la. Broom. Ooh. Look. A puddle. One, two, three. I'm jumping, I'm jumping, I'm jumping, 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 jumping and jumping, jumping and jumping. Ooh, wow, look at me. dirty. Look at my jacket. My jacket. It's wet and dirty. Books. Look at my trousers. Wow. My trousers are wet and dirty. Books. And look at my boots. My boots are wet, chop, chop, and dirty. Oh. What will Daddy say? Wow. Come back home. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. Knock, knock, knock. Knock, knock, knock. Who's that? It's me, little bear. I'm coming. Little bear, look at you. I said, if it rains, come back home. What have you done? Sorry, Daddy. Sorry. Okay. Come in, come in. Let's have a shower. Take off your jacket. It's wet and dirty. Take off your trousers. They're wet and dirty. Take off your boots. They're wet and dirty. Little bear, have a shower, put your pajamas on and go to bed. Okay, Daddy. Shh. Oh, yes. Oh, that's good. Shh. Oh. Pajamas on. Good night. Oh, Daddy, Daddy, Daddy. Tell me, little bear, what's wrong? What's wrong? I feel sick. I have sore throat and headache and a cough. Oh, let me see, little bird. Wow. Let's call the doctor. Ring, 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 ring. Hello, I'm the doctor. Hello, doctor. I'm Little Bear's daddy. Little Bear is ill. Please, please, come to home. Oh, I see. Of course. course, I'm coming. Goodbye. Tip tap, tip tap, tip tap, tip. Knock, 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 knock. Who's that? It's me, the doctor. I'm coming. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you for coming. Please come in. Thank you. Where is Little Bear? It's here. Let's see. Hello, Little Bear. Let me see your temperature. Beep, 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 beep. Ooh, you've got temperature. Okay, Little Bear, open your mouth. Ooh, I see. Little Bear, where have you gone? To the beach or to the mountain? To the mountain? Was it sunny or rainy? Rainy. I see. Okay, I have a solution for you. Syrup. A spoon. And open your mouth, Little Bear. I'm sorry. And you? Do you want some syrup? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Okay. That's very good. And that's all. I miss you so much. Have a nice day.